we will learn change of base law in logarithms. So basically, what is the use of, for example, I am for given base is, right, log a to the power b. This is my base. That means this will have some value. But if I want to know how to calculate the value of this, entire function in different base. Instead of a, I want to calculate in different base, or any number of different base I want to calculate. To do that, we need to know the concept of change of base law. Change of base. So how can we do that? That is, we have one predefined equation, but we will see what exactly meant by change of base law and how can we derive it. Okay? Right? So let's assume we have x equals to log a b. What is that means? What does this mean? Log base a of b equals to x. What does that mean? Log base a of b equals to x. This is same as normal. If it is 2, x is 2 log 2 power 4. See, this is normal logarithmic function. Right? So how can we represent this in different ways? So what this is saying actually, a power x equals to b. This is what, right? We can translate it into this format, right? This is normal logarithmic function. So this x is how many times I need to develop myself. This is what my end of the goal. I want to become as a b of a given growth rate a, right? This is we translated this. Now what we will do is we will multiply with log both sides. There will be no harm on this, doing this. So log a power x equals to log b, right? So now what we will do, while multiplying, we will use a different base log. Okay, so now I got log base c a power x equals to log c b. So I am simply multiplying this value with the log, this value with this log. So both sides we are multiplying with same value, so there will be no harm. So after that, if you see, observe this log c a power x. This we know already. In our previous classes, we discussed about logarithmic laws, right? From one of the logarithmic law, we can map to that law actually. So what is that law actually? Log, whenever we have log a p power q, let's assume, how can we write this? This is n. Last time we used n, we can use anything. So how can we translate into another way? By using that law, this will come this side, n multiplied by log base a p, right? This is what we can translate. This is one of the law. Already we discussed it and we learned in last session. So same way we can translate this into this way, right? This, it looks like same log a, this a power x. So how can we translate? X will come in front, x log c a equals to what we have, log c b, right? So now what is our motive? We need to calculate the x value. Now x equals to, what will be the x value? This value by this, right? Log C B by log C A. See what x is actually. Our x is this value. See, if you see, this x is x value. So we can replace x with this value. So that means log A B equals to, we can write log CB divided by log CA. See what exactly we achieved here. So we achieved here, to calculate this we need to know the base of A. But here, even though this is base A, we are able to do with another base C, right? Another base C. That means even though if I know the base of some other thing, how to calculate with using 10, base 10, calculator, normally scientific calculator, we will have base 10. So to calculate this evaluate function, I can use this way, log C B by log C A. See, this is change of base law. This formula we can use whenever required. So once again we will repeat what exactly we done. So first of all, what we done, we took some simple logarithmic function, that is x is equal to log AB. Log AB. So this can be represented as, in normal way, A power x equals to B, right? So what, after that what we done, we multiplied log with both sides, this side and this C, with base C. So we multiplied, and once we multiplied, this part looks like our logarithmic law. So based on this logarithmic law, log A P power n, whenever we have this kind of representation, we can translate it into n log A P. So we translated this word into this format, then we got x value. So finally x is this value, so we translated log A B equals to log C B by log C A. So ultimately, even though I doesn't know about this base, now I can do with using my known base to calculate this value. So this is change of base basically. So now here one interesting point. So I will see here, if you see log C B log C A is there, right? What will happen if B equals to C? If the B value and the C value becomes same, what will be the formula here? It will translate into log A B equals to, because C and B are equal, just assume, then we will get log CC by log BA. So log CC, this is another law. If growth rate and I want to become the same value, then what will happen? This value will become 1. That means 1 by log BA. So this scenario also will useful when you have both values are same, right? So we can apply this logic in normal formula also. You can use that. I hope now so one more time, write the final result what we got. Log equals to log, this is different see, base log, yeah, this is what we got. After that what we said, if B equals to C, in that case log A equals to log CC, this will be 1, so log this is 1 by log b. This is what, if b equals to c, what happens? This part will become as 1. So 1 by this c also we can